Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best golf balls for distance that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5 is the TaylorMade Golf Rocket Balls Golf Ball. TaylorMade has packed a lot of technology into this ball, making it a great option for golfers seeking velocity and spin control. Its standout feature is the React Core formulation, designed to deliver a soft feel while still generating impressive ball speed for distance. The Speed Mantle technology adds velocity and enhances spin for iron shots, giving you greater control and versatility across all swings. The thin and soft iothane cover ensures a premium feel and adds greenside spin for precision. When it comes to design and build quality, the Rocket Balls golf ball is multi-layered, showcasing TaylorMade's commitment to innovation. The ball offers consistent performance, especially for intermediate to advanced players looking to balance distance with spin control. It's not the cheapest option, but it delivers a good mix of quality and performance, making it a solid contender. The Rocket Balls excels for players who want distance without sacrificing shot control. However, it might feel slightly firm for those who prefer ultra-soft balls. Overall, this ball is great for golfers who want high velocity with reliable spin performance, making it a well-rounded option for distance-focused players. At number 4, we have the TaylorMade Golf Distance Plus golf balls. Specifically engineered for distance, these golf balls feature the React Speed Core, which maximizes energy transfer at impact for explosive ball speeds. The 342 aerodynamic dimple pattern aids in reducing drag while promoting a mid-launch trajectory, making them ideal for players who want consistent distance off the tee. The two-layer construction, paired with an ionomer cover, ensures durability and a softer feel compared to some distance-focused competitors. In terms of design and build, the Distance Plus balls have a clean and modern look, with exceptional attention to detail in their aerodynamic profile. They weigh in at 1.25 pounds per box, and you get a total of 12 balls per pack. Performance-wise, these balls are tailored for mid to high spin players, offering a good balance between distance and greenside feel. They provide solid performance for golfers of all skill levels, but are particularly useful for beginners and intermediate players looking to add a few extra yards to their game. The main pros of the Distance Plus golf balls are their affordability and reliable distance benefits. On the downside, players seeking softer feel or more spin control might feel limited. Overall, these balls are a great choice for golfers who prioritize distance and durability without breaking the bank. Coming in at number 3 is the Callaway Golf Warbird Golf Ball, the budget-friendly option in today's lineup. These balls are designed for maximum ball speed, thanks to their extra-large, high-energy core that's highly compressible. Callaway's Hex Aerodynamics technology reduces drag and promotes higher launch, giving you more speed and hang time for increased distance. The optimized ionomer cover provides great greenside control, which is impressive for a two-piece ball at this price point. The Warbird balls feature a simple yet effective design, with durability and performance in mind. With a consistent feel and reliable flight patterns, these balls are perfect for golfers of all skill levels, particularly those with moderate to fast swing speeds. The 12-ball pack is lightweight and easy to carry, making it a convenient option for weekend rounds or practice sessions. What makes the Warbird stand out is its incredible value for money. Priced at just $19.97, these balls deliver solid distance performance without compromising too much on feel or control. However, they may lack the finesse and spin control of higher-end options, making them better suited for players who prioritize distance over precision. If affordability and distance are your top priorities, the Warbird is a fantastic choice. Number 2 on our list is the Callaway Golf Super Soft Golf Ball, a fan favorite for its blend of distance and soft feel. The hyper-elastic soft fast core is a standout feature, engineered for faster speeds with your driver and irons while maintaining a soft greenside feel. Its hybrid cover offers a combination of long-distance performance, durability, and exceptional spin control. This ball is particularly effective for approach shots and the short game, offering players enhanced control and precision. When it comes to design, the super soft golf balls are built with multi-layer construction and a polyurethane cover, which ensures both durability and a premium feel. The lightweight construction makes them easy to handle during gameplay, and they perform well across various weather conditions. With 4.8 stars from over 12,000 reviews, this ball has earned its place as one of the most popular golf balls in its category. The Super Soft appeals to golfers who want a balance between distance and feel. It's slightly pricier than the Warbird, but offers more versatility and control. On the downside, players with faster swing speeds might find it too soft, but for most golfers, it delivers an incredible combination of performance and value. If you're looking for long distance with a soft touch, the Super Soft won't disappoint. Finally, at the top of our list at number 1 is the Wilson Profile Distance Golf Ball 36-pack. This premium option is designed for golfers who demand maximum distance with excellent control. The high-energy core and low-compression technology work together to deliver long-distance flight with a soft feel. The Tour Accuracy inner cover minimizes ball spin, which means straighter shots and reduced hooks and slices. Additionally, the spin-reducing dimple pattern enhances trajectory and consistency, making this ball ideal for players of all skill levels. The design of the Profile Distance golf balls is built for durability and performance. With a pack of 36 golf balls, this option offers fantastic value for money while catering to golfers who play frequently. The composite construction ensures a solid, reliable feel, while the lightweight design makes it easy to carry on the course. It's a versatile ball that performs well off the tee and around the greens. While this pack is the most expensive option on the list, it provides exceptional value for avid golfers. The downside? Some players may find the lower compression slightly limiting in terms of greenside spin. However, for those focused on distance and straight flight paths, the Wilson Profile Distance golf ball is the clear winner. If you're serious about your game, this ball is a worthy investment. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.